Hello everyone. Today, we will explore one of the largest food industries in the United States, the process of producing billions of sausages every year. Have you ever wondered how the delicious sausages that appear in everyday meals are created? From fresh meat to modern production lines, all go through a closed processing process with advanced technology. But do industrial sausages really ensure quality and food safety? Let's watch until the end of the video to discover the truth behind this huge production industry. The production of billions of sausages in modern processing plants in the United States is a huge process, taking place on an automated line with the participation of many types of high-tech machines. The main ingredients for sausages include meat from many animals such as cows, pigs, chickens and sometimes other types of meat. These meats are processed through many stages to create the final product, delicious sausages. Consumed globally, the production process begins with the selection of raw materials. Large meat processing plants in the United States often import raw materials from industrial farms, where millions of cattle and poultry are raised and slaughtered every day. After being harvested, the meat will go through the stages of classification, cutting and cleaning to ensure quality before being put into the sausage production line. Meat parts not used for whole meat products, such as steaks or ribs, are often used to make sausages. Helping to optimize raw materials and reduce waste. Once the meat is selected, the next step is grinding. A high-powered grinder system will grind the meat into a smooth mixture, while mixing it with other ingredients such as salt, spices, ice and sometimes additives to create a characteristic texture and flavor. Many factories also use vegetable proteins or starches to adjust the viscosity of the sausage, giving the product the right chewiness and moisture for consumers' taste. The meat mixture is then fed into the casing stuffing system. The sausage casings can be made from natural animal intestines or artificial casings made from collagen or cellulose. High-speed stuffing machines can produce thousands of sausages per minute, ensuring a continuous and efficient process. After stuffing, the sausages are cut into uniformly sized pieces before moving on to the next step. One of the most important steps in sausage production is cooking or smoking. Sausages can be steamed, boiled or smoked at tightly controlled temperatures to ensure food safety and create a distinctive flavor. Industrial smokers use natural wood or liquid smoke to create attractive colors and flavors. Meanwhile, boiled or steamed sausages tend to have brighter colors and milder flavors. After being cooked, sausages undergo a rapid cooling process to maintain freshness. The cooling system uses cold water or cold air to reduce the product temperature to a safe level before packaging. This process helps maintain quality and prolongs the shelf life of sausages. Next comes packaging. Modern packaging systems can wrap sausages in vacuum-sealed plastic film or pack them in trays to protect the product during transportation and storage. Some products are also packaged with preservative gas to maintain freshness longer. Each package of sausages is labeled with ingredients, nutritional information, and expiration dates to ensure transparency for consumers. After packaging, sausages are transported to warehouses and distributed to supermarkets, grocery stores, restaurants, and other retail locations across the United States and the world. Thanks to the developed logistics system, billions of sausages can reach consumers quickly and safely. However, many people question whether industrially produced sausages really ensure food quality and safety. Some concerns are related to the use of additives, preservatives, and meat processing in the processing industry. Despite strict control standards from agencies such as the FDA, U.S. Food and Drug Administration, and USDA, U.S. Department of Agriculture, there is still controversy about the safety and health benefits of industrial sausages. Several studies have shown that excessive consumption of processed foods, including sausages, may be linked to health problems such as cardiovascular disease, colon cancer and obesity. This is mainly due to the high salt content, nitrites and chemical compounds that can arise during processing. Therefore, many consumers today tend to look for organic sausage products or sausages that do not contain artificial preservatives to minimize health risks. However, sausages are still one of the most popular foods in the world thanks to their convenience. Attractive taste and affordable price. Manufacturers are also constantly improving technology to improve product quality, from using better ingredients to optimizing production processes to ensure food safety without affecting the traditional taste. In addition to traditional sausages such as hot dogs, bratwurst, bologna or pepperoni, the sausage industry is also developing many new products to meet the diverse needs of consumers. For example, vegetarian sausages made from soy, mushrooms or plant proteins are becoming more popular in the context of consumers' increasing concern about health and the environment. Industrial sausage production is not just a food processing process, but also involves many economic, technological and food policy factors. Modern processing plants must adhere to strict standards of hygiene, food safety and environmental protection, and must constantly innovate to meet the demands of the global market. In addition to producing and consuming sausages in huge quantities, the industry has a profound impact on the economy, the environment and public health. The billions of sausages produced each year means there is a vast supply chain supporting everything from farming, processing, transportation to distribution. To meet this demand, the United States has many of the largest meat processing plants in the world.
They are then seasoned with salt and pepper to achieve McDonald's.
With multinational companies such as Tyson Foods, Smithfield Foods, Hormel Foods, and Oscar Mayer dominating the market. These companies not only supply sausages domestically but also export them globally, contributing to international trade and the country's economy. Industrial sausage production requires a huge amount of resources, from animal meat to water, energy and packaging. Raising livestock and poultry for sausage production consumes millions of tons of grain for animal feed. Leading to a significant impact on the environment. Emissions from the livestock industry, especially methane from cows, are one of the main causes of climate change. Furthermore, wastewater from meat processing plants can cause pollution if not properly treated. Therefore, many food manufacturing companies are trying to apply greener technologies, such as water recycling systems, reducing carbon emissions and using more sustainable raw materials. In addition, sausage production is also related to many labor issues. Meat processing plants often require high-intensity labor and harsh working conditions. Workers in the industry are exposed to dangerous machinery, work in cold environments to preserve meat, and perform repetitive tasks at high speeds. As a result, the industry is often criticized for low wages and unsafe working conditions. Several scandals have occurred involving the exploitation of migrant workers or minors working illegally in meat processing plants in the United States. In this context, consumer trends are also changing. Today's consumers are more concerned about food quality, the origin of ingredients, and the impact of food on health. Many sausage brands are introducing products that are organic, nitrite-free, free of artificial preservatives, and made from humanely raised animals. In addition, plant-based sausages are also becoming a growing trend, with products made from soy, peas or mushrooms that taste similar to traditional sausages. Despite changes in consumer tastes, sausages have maintained their position in global cuisine. Sausages are an important part of fast food, BBQs, street food and even high-end dishes at luxury restaurants. Famous sausages such as American hot dogs, German bratwurst, Spanish chorizo or Italian sausages all have their own characteristics, reflecting the culinary culture of each country. The future of the sausage industry will depend on how companies adapt to changes in technology, the environment and consumer tastes. Manufacturers will have to continue to improve their production processes to ensure food safety, improve product quality and reduce environmental impact. At the same time, the healthy food trend will promote the development of plant-based sausage products or sausages made from sustainably raised meat. In general, the billions of sausages produced each year are not only a reflection of a huge industry but also a part of modern life. From quick meals on the street to sophisticated dishes in restaurants, sausages continue to be a familiar culinary icon, constantly changing to meet the needs of an increasingly developed world. The process of producing billions of sausages each year requires a modern, highly automated production line system to ensure productivity and product quality. Meat processing plants in the United States are often equipped with production lines, manufactured with advanced technology, optimizing every step from raw material receipt, processing, packaging, to storage and distribution. In the first stage of production, the main raw material for making sausages, pork, beef, chicken, or a combination of all three, is transported to the factory in large refrigerated containers. The meat is strictly inspected to ensure that there are no impurities or harmful bacteria. The meat is then fed into an industrial grinding system, where it is chopped into small pieces before being transferred to a specialized grinder. This grinder is capable of processing tons of meat per hour, creating a uniform mixture, depending on the type of sausage being produced. Spices, salt, pepper, garlic, and food additives such as nitrites for preservation may be added to the mixture. Some manufacturers also add vegetable proteins or other ingredients to create a unique texture and flavor. Once ground and mixed, the mixture is extruded into sausage casings. Sausage casings can be made from synthetic collagen, natural pig intestines, or cellulose membranes. Depending on the product, high-powered extruders can produce thousands of sausages per minute, ensuring fast production rates. These sausages are then twisted into small pieces and cut to the desired size. Next, the sausages are fed into a steaming or smoking system. Factories using industrial steamers can process hundreds of kilograms of sausages at a time, helping the product achieve the desired level of doneness and flavor. Some sausages, such as smoked sausages, are processed through a smoke chamber using natural wood to create a distinct flavor. Once cooked, the sausages are rapidly cooled using a refrigeration system, which helps maintain freshness and prevents bacteria from growing. They are then fed into an automated packaging line. The packaging machines use vacuum technology or packaging in a controlled atmosphere to extend the shelf life. Depending on the product, sausages can be packaged individually or in multi-packs. The finished sausage packages are inspected with an X-ray scanner to detect any metal or foreign matter. If defects are found, the product is discarded to ensure food safety. The sausages are then labeled and transported to cold storage, where they are stored before being distributed to supermarkets, grocery stores, or restaurant chains. Although modern manufacturing processes improve productivity and ensure food safety, there is controversy over the use of food additives and preservatives in industrial sausages. Some studies have shown that excessive consumption of processed sausages may be associated with an increased risk of chronic diseases such as colon cancer. Therefore, the food industry is tending to develop organic sausage products, without preservatives or using more natural ingredients. In addition, with the development of food technology, vegetarian sausage products are also becoming more and more popular. Sausages made from vegetable protein. Soy, or peas have become an alternative for those who want to limit their consumption of animal meat. Large food companies also invest heavily in research and development to create products with flavors and textures similar to traditional sausages. The sausage industry not only plays an important role in the food sector but also affects many other industries such as livestock farming, transportation, packaging and retail. The development of this industry reflects modern consumer trends, where convenience and taste are still the top factors in consumers' food choices. Although hot dogs may be criticized for health concerns, they remain an integral part of global food culture. From hot dogs in American stadiums to bratwursts grilled on street stalls in Europe, sausages continue to be a popular food enjoyed around the world.